All right, guys. So I'm assuming you two are working on the center console. Your cup holder probably looks like this. You thought, hey, this is a Jeep, king of the off-road market. Everything in here. I mean, they've got holes in the floor so you can spray the thing out. Surely the cup holder liner is removable, right? You can pop this out, clean it. I mean, I've got an F-150 and you can do that. Well, you're wrong, and you've found that out. So your options are, realistically, to buy a new one of these or repair yours. So you'll see there's these little oval where this is fixed. You can try and pop those out, but I would almost guarantee you're going to break them. I've been messing with that for a while, and I broke one, I think. I don't remember. I broke one, and I was like, actually right here. I broke this one. You can see right there. I broke that one. And I was like, you know what? They're all just going to break, and then I'm going to be out 100. You can buy this on eBay for 150 bucks. Or you can fix yours. I just washed this thing, so it's got some water in it. So I've been trying to figure out how to fix it. And you'll see in the back here, this hole here, it's got these little rubber nipples. That right there. So the hardest part is cramming that. So you've pulled that through that tiny little gap, and you're not going to get that back in there. I mean, you can try, but you're not going to get that back in there. So let me show you what I've been doing. I've been cutting those things down just enough that I can shove it back in there and it'll hold. Just take some scissors. You don't have to cut it all the way off. See that? I just cut and take you a nice little fine tip screwdriver. And once you get most of those cut back, the ones that you've pulled out, see, I pulled this out for the demo and I should have left it because I got these in already. You should be able to get them back in. What I've had to do is take a screwdriver, kind of pry off the back just to relieve some of that pressure, and they'll go in. Of course, now that I'm doing it on camera, it doesn't want to go in. But you've got to leave enough on that nipple so that when it gets through the back of this housing, it's got something to grab onto. And you'll see they ride in these holes here. That hole there. And you can see them. That one's giving me a little bit of a fit. And there you go. Just keep massaging them, and eventually they'll all go back. You can pop this thing back in your wife's car or your car, if that's the kind of man you are. No, I'm just messing. I like my wife's Jeep. And it's done. And there you go. Now, I can't guarantee that won't pop out again, but I don't think it's popping out. It feels pretty stout. Just don't pull on it again is the key, right? So there you go. I hope this works for you. Best of luck.